Hello FME friends, and welcome to this 2025.0 feature demonstration video. In this video, I will demonstrate new functionality for dealing with streams of data inside an FME workspace. Some transformers in FME are able to run continuously to connect to data stream services and receive live messages. In FME 2025.0, many of these transformers have been updated to create heartbeat features. A heartbeat feature is an indication that no data has been received by the transformer for a specific period of time. That period of time is defined using new parameters inside each transformer. By default, the value is set to 1 hour. In this transformer, I have set it to 10 seconds. One use for this ability is to shut down a workspace when no more data is being received. Here I have connected the heartbeat output port of a Kafka connector transformer to a terminator. If the Kafka connector receives no messages for 5 minutes, a heartbeat feature will be emitted, causing the terminator to end processing. Another purpose for a heartbeat feature is to prevent periods of inactivity blocking a workflow. This example is slightly complicated but also quite common. Messages with a timestamp are received and sent to the TimeWindower transformer. The TimeWindower uses the timestamp to determine whether the message can be sent for further processing. If the feature is too early to process, but is within the tolerance specified in the TimeWindower parameter, then it is held until that window becomes active. Then it is released. However, that release is only triggered when another feature arrives at the transformer. If there is a period of no messages, this feature will get stuck in the TimeWindower. But in FME 2025.0, a heartbeat feature now acts as the trigger to release features. It means that the maximum time features will wait inside the TimeWindower transformer is the heartbeat interval. In this final example, data is once more received in a stream and assigned a time window. This time it is processed using a group-based transformer such as a statistics calculator. The group by parameter is set up to cause data with a new window ID to be processed separately. This parameter forces processing to occur whenever the window ID changes, as that is when the group is considered complete. In previous versions of FME, a period of inactivity would also cause data to be retained in the transformer, waiting for another message that may never come. But in 2025.0, a heartbeat feature again acts as a trigger to release these features. The important thing to notice is that heartbeat features aren't consumed by the transformer. However, a simple test filter transformer can be used to filter them out when they are no longer required. I hope you found this video interesting and that you will enjoy the new functionality. Look out for other video demos for the 2025.0 release.